hours. And I'm already late. Dahil may klase ako ngayong araw. At madaming pinapaasa. Ayan. Late na naman akong dumating dito. Set up muna tayo. Ano mangyayari mamaya sa Earth Art, pero ayun, set up lang ako. Ito tayo sa spot.
Touch him, 'cause you know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. Sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know what is it, and in what month this love never seems so alive. I can't keep up, and I can't back down. I've been losing so much time, 'cause it's you and me, and all of the people with nothing to do, nothing to prove. It's you and me, and all of the people, and I don't know how I can keep myself living.
So pause muna tayo sa basking guys kasi may Zumba. Kit nila, check na natin may mga Zumba.
Sa mga bago po dito. Good evening po. I hope that you're enjoying. Tinatawag kita, sinusuyo kita, di mo man marinig, di mo man madama. Okay, tagalin kitang minahal. Okay, tagalin kitang minahal. Okay, tagalin kitang mamahalin. Okay, tagalin kitang mamahalin.
Tapos na, ayun sila.
Ikip mo yung iba dun.
Kasama ko yung mga ka-churchmate ko. Tapos na ako mag-basking. Earth hour ngayon. Paputol-putol yung basking ko pero okay pa din. Wala nang boses. So, yung mga kasama ko. Makukulit yung mga. Yung sisikat.
Alala mo ba ito? Itong gabi.
Kulit nila. So, experience ngayon masaya naman. Nakapagod.